So, welcome to our trip.
So, I'm not in on this vlog.
This is, what is the name?
Manning Park?
Manning Park.
EC Manning.
2 hours away from the Vancouver.
That's a lie.
3 hours.
Well, it's well over 3 last night.
3 hours, yeah. Yes, I wanna show the outside. So high, like here, you are going up. If you have electric car, you have to charge full, 100%. So dangerous. This is the camping area. Okay, this is the ore spots. Maybe like backside. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, you can turn. There we go. There's the other camping spot. This is our space. It's for barbecue, table, and river just there. There you go. Cool life. See? Wow. You can go and swim, I think. It's not fast. Just like not deep. So I'm thinking where we're gonna put the tent. It's rainy now. Should be like dry, maybe under the tree. Here, maybe here. A little bit hill. Good place. I like it. So we are walking around. What is the looks like here?
Oh.
So we have a hammock I put here. Yeah, cool. And then for here I made small home. Table, barbecue. This is a tent stick. Good view, but really good view. And all burgers. This spot is where you can see the river. So we're gonna walk. We were here. Now we are here. We're gonna go loop and go back to camping spot. Let's start. Oh, so there's a bridge here. Not strong.
Look at the rock.
Shaking. Oh yeah. You wanna do this?
Pass me my phone there.
Here. Gonna keep walking. So no network, no data.
Mine, it has a little bit here. Look. So I'm offline.
Okay.
So that's where we came over. I definitely wore the wrong shoes for this.
This looks like a human. This looks like a human. Okay, we didn't go from this. We're gonna turn back because no sign there. I don't know. So maybe we can make it. Maybe this is the wrong way. Now we made the tent. We are making now dinner. Rain is stopped. It's nice weather, nice atmosphere. Perfect. There is a hammock there. This is for rain. Barbecue. Very twilighting. Foggy. So now we left the camping spot. We are going to Lightning Lake, and then we're gonna go back to home. So we are in Lightning Lake now. There is one more camping area there. If you want, you can stay there. It was full, we couldn't get there. There's a canoe if you want. So clear, wow. Perfect, amazing view. The fish jumping. I think so many fish in it.